what's inside. Oh, Papa's still opening them. Oopsie.
Wow, look at that.
What have you got? A knife?
And a spoon.
Oh, a big spoon and a little spoon.
You got your own little spoon.
And a fork. Maybe I could go for my dinner.
Yes,
Do they have pictures on them?
they do.
And you can have a big one and I can have a little one.
Okay, alright. That's it.
That's very
There
nice.
we go. Wow, thank you, Auntie Sarah.
Thank you, Auntie Sarah.
Look at that.
Wow, you can have them for your birthday breakfast.